Take a look at the upstairs wiring. We're not going to use disconnects this time. We're just going to use some long leads. Here they are. We're using a Digitrax decoder, which means blue wire is the plus, yellow is going to be the beacon, white is going to be the headlights. So what we got here is we did those light fixtures and we kind of gooped them in place, and they look pretty good. That's not bad. Okay, then we bring it all to the center, and then we got beacon in. Okay, I got to dress that up a little bit so it looks more like a beacon. That's no problem. And then we bring it into a little 3-strip board so that the blue, being the plus, connects everywhere, and then we connect down to our board over here when we're done. These 3 middle ones correspond to that one in the upstairs. The blue being the plus, and then the yellow beacon, white will be the headlights. And these 2 outside ones, that's where the truck power gets connected. And then the decoder sits like that. Into decoder, out decoder, to motor pad. And that's where we got it. So it's looking pretty good. I like to do this kind of thing because I like it clean. And then what will happen is, let's say we have to do maintenance. We'll take the shell off and we'll set it on a roll of tape. These wires, tape's going to be higher, but this is where I'd like to have it. So that if I have the shell sitting on something that's at least that high, then these wires are right here and I can get at everything. And I can unsolder them if I need to, for some reason, have the shell completely off. And that's all there is to it. We just try to keep it nice, neat, and clean, and we're looking like we're in pretty good shape.